Introduce highlight features or overview summary of INSEETECH 1080p solar wireless backup camera, magnetic Wi-Fi hitching camera. There are key features include easy magnetic installation. Our wireless backup camera features a robust magnetic base that effortlessly attaches to iron, cobalt, or nickel surfaces, eliminating the need for drilling or wiring. Perfect for trucks, RVs, trailers, SUVs, pickups, and fifth wheels. This camera allows for quick setup and easy transfer between vehicles, making it ideal for novice, female, and elderly drivers. Continuous solar power. Equipped with an efficient solar panel, the wireless magnetic backup camera requires just 2 hours of sunlight daily to maintain year-round operation. The 3000 mAh rechargeable battery and multiple charging options, USB, plug-in, car charger, ensure uninterrupted performance, making it ideal for long-distance truck drivers or those frequently traveling in busy cities. Smart power management. The solar backup camera includes an intelligent power-saving mode, controllable via our app. Users can set specific working hours, extending battery life and ensuring the camera operates only when needed. This feature is particularly useful for drivers in bustling urban areas who need consistent surveillance without the hassle of additional remote controls. Full HD 1080p. With a 150 degrees wide-angle lens and 1080p HD resolution, the Wi-Fi backup camera delivers sharp, clear images day and night. The adjustable 90 degrees viewing angle ensures comprehensive coverage, providing dependable visibility for safe reversing and monitoring. This is especially beneficial for those maneuvering large vehicles like trailers and RVs. Stable Wi-Fi. Enjoy stable Wi-Fi connectivity with a range of up to 197 feet or 60 meters in open space, perfect for vehicles up to 30 feet long. Transmission distance varies based on vehicle type and environment. Exceptional ruggedness. Designed to withstand extreme environments, the magnetic wireless backup camera boasts IP66 waterproof, windproof, and anti-collision ratings. This ruggedness ensures consistent performance in all weather conditions, making it a dependable choice for long-term use in any vehicle, whether it's a pickup truck or a commercial trailer. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.